أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم سورة الحج مدنية بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم زلزلة الساعة شيء عظيم. O people, fear the punishment of your Rabb by obeying his commands. The earthquake of the day of Qiyamah is a tremendous, mighty thing indeed. يوم ترونها تذهل كل مرضعة عما أرضعت وتضع كل ذات حمل حملها وترى الناس سكرى وما هم بسكرى ولكن عذاب الله شديد. When you will witness the day of Qiyamah, you will see that people will so terrified and worried, hate every nursing method. Mother will forget her suckling infant, and every pregnant woman will abort her unborn child. You will also see people in a drunken stupor, although they will not be drunk, but they will be in this condition because they will realize that Allah's punishment is severe, worried that they will have to face his punishment. People will be oblivious of everything else. وَمِنَ النَّاسِ مَن يُجَادِلُ فِي اللَّهِ بِغَيْرِ عِلْمٍ وَيَتَّبِعُ كُلَّ شَيْطَانٍ مَرِيدٍ. There are those people who without relevant knowledge dispute with you about the being, the attributes or actions of Allah, and they follow the dictates of every rebellious, proud shaitan. كتب عليه أنه من تولاه فأنه يضله ويهديه إلى عذاب السعير. The decision has been passed against him, Shaitan, that he will mislead whoever befriends him, whoever does as he wants, and he will lead him to the punishment of the blaze Jahannam. يا أيها الناس إن كنتم في ريب من البعث فإنا خلقناكم من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم من علقة ثم من مضغة مخلقة وغير مخلقة لنبين لكم ونقر في الأرحام ما نشاء إلى أجل مسمى ثم نخرجكم طفلا ثم لتبلغوا أشدكم ومنكم من يتوفى ومنكم من يرد إلى أرذل العمر لكي لا يعلم من بعد علم شيئا وترى الأرض هامدة فإذا أنزلنا عليها الماء اهتزت وربت وأنبتت من كل زوج بهيج. O people, if you are in doubt about the possibility of resurrection, then remember, we have certainly created you, your father Adam alayhi salam, from sand, then the rest of mankind from a drop of semen. Then the development of the fetus progresses from a clot of blood, then it develops further from a lump of flesh which is shaped perfectly or unshaped, deformed or miscarried. You were created in these stages so that we may show you our great power, and according to our will we keep you in your mother's wombs until an appointed time when you are due to be born, which is usually 9 months. Thereafter we remove you from your mother's womb as children, after which you come of age. There are those of you who those souls we claim at an early age, while others reach the age of infirmity, senility, so that they know nothing after once possessing much knowledge. And another sign to prove the possibility of resurrection is that you will see the earth barren without vegetation and foliage, seeming dead. Then we send the rains to it, causing it to stir, flourish, and grow every kind of beautiful species of plants life. Jazzakallah Qasim. My dear students, my dear viewers, my dear subscribers, teacher and students, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video as much as you can in your friend circles, relative circles, social medias, on different social medias, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, Facebook, and LinkedIn. It would be very thankful to you for this kindness. May Allah keep you always happy and succeed you in Deen Dunya and Akhirah. May Allah save us from all the standing forces and their strategies and plannings, and protect us from the enemies of Pakistan and Islam. Allah Hafiz.